Andrew Keene, president of Keene on the Market, has a retail name on his shopping list. Good Monday morning to you, Andrew.
Good morning to you too, Angie.
What stock are you watching?
I'm looking at Nordstrom, and it had a very interesting day on Friday. Actually, Thursday after the bell, it reported earnings. I was shorted into earnings. The stock sold off like I thought it would. We saw Macy's and Kohl's sell off on earnings. I thought Nordstrom would have a little bit weaker of earnings, not being the Christmas time. So I thought it'd sell off. It did sell off. It bounced off this $50 level, which is very, very critical. It has a 200-day moving average around 49.10. So I'm looking to see what the market does this week. The market has been very, very choppy and very, very wild over the course of the last 2 weeks. So I'm not putting on a position just yet. If I see some buying pressure, then I will buy Nordstrom around 52, 53, and then I'll put a stop under 50. If it gets under 50, I'll be looking to sell it. With the market moving around this much, I'm kind of playing on the sidelines in a lot of my stocks right now. But Nordstrom is one I have my eye on.
We've heard this from other traders. A lot of traders are taking a be patient and wait and see stance. Again, why is that?
It's crazy. I mean, like a couple days last week, the S&P were down 20 points, and they rallied all the way back to unchanged. Then on Thursday, we were up 10 points, and we sold off to unchanged. Then Friday, we were down a lot on the JP Morgan news, and then we rallied back. So these are times of environments that it's very, very whippy, very choppy. It's very, very easy to lose a lot of money very fast. So I'm going to sit on the sidelines and see where we pan out. We have this level in the S&P 500 futures. 1335, maybe 1340 to the downside, upside maybe 1400. I'm going to sit and wait. May and April are historically the weakest months. I think in the summer months we rally and we rally really hard. So this is when I'm going to want to put on long positions. But being short, you're trying to sell the bottoms and buy the tops. It's very, very hard with this whippiness in the stock market. Nordstrom is one I have my eye on. It did hit its all-time high in 2007 at the $60 level. I think it can test to the $60 level if the S&P get to my 1484 target, but right now I'm sitting and being patient.
And that is important advice because I know a trader like you usually thrive on those big moving markets. So thanks for that adage. Good to have you on the show today. That's Andrew Keene, president of KeeneOnTheMarket.com.
Thank you.